So you just got an iPad, you probably downloaded Procreate, and you want to start doing some digital illustrations. Well, I'm going to show you 7 of the reasons why Procreate is one of the best illustration apps for the iPad. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Tip 1. QuickShape. To speed up your workflow, Procreate's QuickShape tool is a fantastic feature that can help you create precise shapes quickly and easily. This tool works by automatically completing the shape for you when you draw a line and hold down your pencil. For example, if you draw a line and then hold down your pencil, Procreate will snap to a shape. You can use this tool to create various shapes, such as triangles, rectangles, and other types of shapes. It can be a lifesaver when you need to create shapes that are difficult to draw or freehand, and it can save you a lot of time and effort, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your piece. Tip 2. Brush library. Procreate comes with an extensive library of brushes that can help you create a wide range of effects and textures. The brush library contains a variety of brushes, including basic brushes such as pencils and pens, to more complex brushes such as watercolor and oil paint. You can also create your own custom brushes and then save them to your library for easy access. To access the brush library, simply tap on the brush icon in the top toolbar. From there, you can scroll through the library and experiment with different brushes to see what works best for you. Tip 3. Layers. This one is super important. Seriously, pay attention. Procreate's layer system is a powerful tool that can help you create complex illustrations easily. The layer system allows you to create multiple layers and adjust the opacity of each layer. You can also merge the layers together to create different effects. This allows you to experiment with different elements of your artwork without affecting other parts of your illustration. For example, you can create a layer for your background, a layer for your foreground, and a layer for your subject. This makes it easier to edit and make changes to your artwork without affecting other elements of your illustration. Tip 4. Color drop. I think this tip right here is really what got me interested in Procreate in the first place. If you need to fill a large area with color quickly, the color drop tool is going to be your best friend. This tool allows you to select a color and then fill large areas with that color in just a few taps. Simply grab the color and then drag it to the area you want to fill. Procreate will automatically fill this area with the selected color, making it much quicker and easier than filling it in manually. You can also adjust the tolerance of the color drop tool, which determines how much of the area Procreate will fill with the selected color. Tip 5. Time-lapse. This tool is going to be really important for you guys, especially since you're already watching a video on how to do digital art. Procreate's time-lapse feature is a great way to show your audience how you created your artwork. This feature records every stroke you'll make, allowing you to create a time-lapse video of your work. You can then export the video and share it with your audience on social media platforms or video sharing websites like YouTube, like you're doing now. This is a great way to show your skills and connect with other artists online. To access the time-lapse feature, simply tap on the wrench icon in the top toolbar, select video, and then choose the time-lapse replay. From there, you can customize the length of the time-lapse video and export it to share with others. Tip 6. Symmetry tool. Procreate's Symmetry tool allows you to create perfectly balanced artwork. This tool mirrors the brushstroke across the central axis, creating a symmetrical image. This is especially useful for creating patterns or logos. To use the Symmetry tool, simply select the tool from the toolbar, choose your axis, and start drawing. You can also adjust the number of axes and the angle of rotation to create more complex patterns. Tip 7. Gestures. Procreate has a variety of gestures that can speed up your workflow. These gestures allow you to perform certain actions quickly and easily without having to navigate through menus. For example, you can quickly redo or undo an action with just simple taps. You can also zoom in or zoom out by pinching the screen, and you can switch between brushes by swiping down with 2 fingers. These gestures save a lot of time and help you work more efficiently. Well guys, that's all I got for you. Hopefully you learned some things and you're ready to start illustrating on your iPad. You guys already know the drill, but if you liked the video, make sure to hit that thumbs up for me. And if you want to see content like this in the future, make sure you're subscribed. Well guys, until the next one, peace.